Hi guys, I'm Danielle with Rollout Savings. I'm here to bring you all the information you need for this Saturday at Dollar General. We're going to do our Saturday 5 off 25 deals. And first, I just want to remind you that if you don't have Factory Rewards, to download that, there's a referral code there. You can scan your receipts in and earn points towards gift cards. And I also use Receipt Jar. There's a referral code there for you as well. Receipt Jar is similar to Fetch. You just scanned your receipts in and you earn points. Those points you can turn into cashing out into your PayPal. It's a great way to get some extra savings. So up first we have this drink deal. You're going to get your coffee, your creamer, your sugar, and 2 lemonades for just $17.75, and this is a 5 off 25 deal. Our next deal, you are going to pay $19.24. You're going to get your milk, your pancake mix, your syrup, bacon, oatmeal, some biscuits, and some eggs for just $19.24. For $27.24, you're going to get all the items you see here for a taco night. We're going to move into some personal care now. For this Loves deal, you're going to get your Loves and your Easy Ups, and you're going to pay just $18 on Saturday. We have another diaper deal, and this one is 2 packages of Loves and a package of Huggies for just $16. Our next deal is a cold deal. You're going to get your Robitussin, Theraflu, your DG Health cold and pain reliever for $13. Now we're going to move into some more personal care. We have Fructis, Tylenol, Degree, and some Always for just $9.40. On this Degree in this deal and a couple other deals coming up, there is a $2 store coupon and a $2 manufacturer, so you can stack those. On this toothpaste deal plus 1 deodorant, you're going to pay $7.80. And for this Degree, the store coupon does not attach to the stick, it's for the spray. Here's another deal for $8.75. You're going to get some Tylenol, some Always, some Band-Aids, your Degree, and some Fructis. You could switch out the whole blends. It's just going to raise your total a little bit. Whole blends is a little bit more. On this deal for $11.75, you're going to get your Fructis shampoo conditioner, same with the whole blends, and a Dove, plus your Tylenol. And again, that's just $11.75. For $12.85, you're going to get your Suave body wash, your Suave shampoo, your Dove Men Care body wash. You're also going to get your Dove antiperspirant and shampoo, and your total is just $12.85. For this deal, you're going to get 2 Secret Outlast, 2 whole blends, and 2 Fructis for only $10. Our next deal, again, you can switch out the Fructis. It's just going to change your total if you get the whole blends, but you're going to get the 2 Irish Springs, 2 Secret Outlast, and the 2 Fructis or the whole blends. You're going to pay $10.12. Again, whole blends will raise your total. For $5.95, you've got a Degree spray, the Dove body wash, your Finish Jet Dry, your Airwick, and your Colgate for $5.95. Again, we have Fructis, Degree spray, Colgate toothpaste, Soft Soap body wash, and Irish Spring body wash for $9.60. We're moving into our household deals. On this deal, this is a 5 off 25 and a 10 off 30. You're going to get your 2 different size Tide and your Gain for $8.40. Make sure you scan to make sure they are attaching to the 10 off 30. On this deal for $8.85, you're going to get your large Gain, your Gain Liquid, the smaller size, plus your Tide Simply. Again, that is going to be $8.85. Make sure you're scanning to make sure that the items are attaching to the coupons. For $9.35, you're going to get your Tide, your Downy Rinse, and some Tide Simply pods. For $8.80, you can get your Tide Pods, your Downy Rinse and Refresh, and Bounce Sheets. And we put a bunch of these together just this way you can see there's different options. It's not just, you know, you have to get this one or this one. You can mix it up. For $13.35, you're going to get your large Tide Pods, your Dreft, your Downy, and your Lysol laundry sanitizer. And again, these are all 10 off 30 with your 5 off 25. You can get your Tide, your Gain, and your Gain Softener for $7.35. For $9.40, you can get your Tide Free and Clear, your Draft, and your Downy Rinse and Refresh. And again, that's $9.40. For $10.85, you can get your large pods, your Tide, and your Gain Liquid. On this deal, this is a 5 off 30 Gain deal. This will not attach to your 10 off 30. So you're going to get all your Gain items you see here on your Swiffer and your Febreze. Make sure they are Gain scented. It's going to cost you $7.75. Again, the 10 off 30 will not work with the 5 off 30 Gain. For $10.90, you could get your large pods, your medium pods, and your sheets. And as you can see, this is a 10 off 30. Get your large Gain, again, your medium Gain, and your sheets. This one's $13.90, and that is a 5 off 30. Up next, we have your Gain Liquid, your Gain Softener, and the beads. This is a 5 off 30 deal for $12.35. Up next, for $13.40, you're going to get your Lysol Air, your Tide Pods, your Downy, your Suavitel, and some Dawn Dish. This is a true 5 off 25. This will not work with your 10 off 30. For $14.70, you're going to get your Tide, your Downy, your Lysol, and some Cottonelle. And again, this one is also a 5 off 25. It's not a 10 off 30. For this next deal, if you have the $1.55 off one Gain, you're going to pay $6.85. If you do not have that coupon, you will pay $8.40. That's for your flings and your liquid on the Gain. And this is a 10 off 30. We have a paper deal for you for $10.65. We have instant savings on the Scott, so we've got 3 different Scott here. We also have your Airwick and your Band-Aid and your Tylenol. And again, that's $10.65. Our next paper deal, is $13.45. Again, we have your Scott toilet paper and paper towels. We have some Ajax and Palmolive and Swiffer for $13.45. We hope you like this video. Please be sure to like, follow, share, and leave us a comment. Let us know if you like this format of our videos now, or the screenshots, I should say. You can find us at rolloutsavings.com, Facebook, obviously here on YouTube, and Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys.